Hi, this is Paul Grant of Gridiron Software, and in this two-part tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the user interface of Flow 2.0. I'll just be showing you this main navigator window for now, but if you subscribe to Time Tracking or Versions, you should check out our other videos to see how those work. In this first half of the tutorial, I'll show you where to find everything, and in the next video, I'll show you how to use some of the map functions and show you some cool shortcuts. There are three basic sections of your screen: the Manage section, the Map section, and the Info section. This is the Manage section, and currently we're looking at the Project pane. This pane lists the projects that you have on the go and any folders that have projects in them. In Project Details, I can add information about the organization and company and client and anything else that I need to do. And in the bottom section here, I can see members of the team working on this project. If I look in the Browser pane, I can navigate my files in the standard folder structure, like in Finder on Mac or Explorer on Windows. Any file that I find in here, I can right-click to show in Finder or Explorer so I can move them around if necessary. You'll notice that when I highlight a file in the browser, it shows up in my File Map view here in the middle. I'll get back to File Map versus Project Map soon. Moving to the Overflow pane, this is where I control the assets that I'm sharing or are being shared with me. We'll have lots of information about Overflow in another video, so I won't cover the details of how to use this pane here. The other thing I'll cover really quickly is the Info section. The Info section looks and acts just like the dashboard. So, well, you guessed it, that's in another video too. If I want to hide either of these side sections so I can see more of my map, I can click these vertical bars here to show or hide that section. That brings us to the meat of the application window, or the tofu of the application window for the vegetarians out there, the Maps section. As pointed out before, there are two kinds of maps: file maps and project maps. A file map shows me all of the relationships a specific file has, regardless of projects. With this Photoshop logo file, for example, I can see that these two files were used in its creation on the left. These two files on the left were either copied and pasted into the Photoshop document or imported there using the place command. You can learn more about file relationships in the Creating a Project video. These files on the right are all the files that the Photoshop document has been used in. It's been saved as a JPEG and imported into this InDesign document. Even if these assets weren't for the same project, the file map shows me all of the relationships for this specific file. I outlined the basics of creating a project map in another video, so you can check that one out to see how to make a map in Flow. That's it for this video. I hope I've shown you a little bit about how to start navigating your way around Flow 2.0 Essentials. Check out part 2 of navigating the Flow UI for some quick keys, shortcuts, and info on these buttons down here at the bottom and what they do. In the meantime, make sure to visit gridironsoftware.com to download your free copy of Flow 2.0 Essentials today.